Hey, hi, my name is Deepak Verma and you are most welcome at my YouTube channel. Instead of creating a random demo website, I wanted to work on a real business. So today I searched Google for plumbing business in Florida and I found this website. It wasn't a bad website, but it definitely looks outdated by today's standard. So I challenged myself to redesign it using AI and I transformed it into a modern, high converting business website. In this video, I will show you the complete process, compare the old and new versions. So, guys, let's get started. Let's start with creating a new folder and give it a name. After that, double click to open the folder and do right click and click on Open with Antigravity ID. Now this folder will be open in Antigravity. If you do right click and don't get option to open the folder using Antigravity ID, then you have to come on the files, you need to click on it, then you have to click on open folder. Thereafter you have to select the folder which you want to open and then need to click on the select folder button. Now it's time to visit on the chatgpt.com. So my main motto to use ChatGPT here is I want to get generated a fully detailed prompt which can be fully supported by Google's Gemini 3.5 Flash model. So here I have given a command that you are a senior award winning UI UX designer and a full stack web developer. Redesign this particular website into a modern premium multi-page website. First, analyze every page and extract all existing content, services, and functionality. Then rebuild the website using a Figma inspired UI, smooth animations, responsive design, and conversion focused UI. And at the bottom, I have given you can choose any font and any color which you want as per the plumbing website while keeping all business information accurate to the current website. And after that, I will give it a command that give me an anti-gravity friendly prompt as I am using Gemini 3.5 Flash model. After that, click on this arrow button or hit enter button. Great guys, it has generated the prompt. Now copy it and paste it to the Google's Antigravity. Now it's time to select the AI model. From the drop down, select Gemini 3.5 Flash High. And after that, either click on this arrow button or hit enter button. Great guys, it has started the process in the background and it is trying to fetch the details from the older website. It will fetch all the contents, it will fetch the functionality and other mandatory details like contact details, address, and if there is any video, then it will fetch those videos also. It will visit on each and every pages and will try to fetch all the contents which are important for our new website. Now it is asking for our permission. By default, yes, allow this time is selected, but in this case, I will click on yes and always allow. After that, I will click on submit button. Now it has resumed the process and moving ahead. Now it has generated an implementation plan for us. You can either click on the proceed button or you can always view the implementation plan file. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to see the implementation plan. And in order to view the file, you have to visit at the middle section and you need to click on the implementation file. And from here, you will be able to see the all plans which are created by the AI for your website and you can edit any of them. You can add your comment if you want to do any kind of changes which you would like to have in your new website. Let's imagine if I don't want to continue with this primary color, then I can always give a comment that please change the primary color to something else. Choose red color instead. Okay, and after that you can always click add comment button to add the comment or you can click on the cancel button to cancel it. In this situation, I am going to click on the cancel button because having a premium navy color for the plumbing website would be a great idea. Now let's go ahead and do other modifications in the implementation plan. Here you can see the implementation plan for the homepage of this new website, and in order to increase the user's trust, I'd like to get added a video section, and I am giving it a command that add a section which says see our plumbing crew in action with a video, and you can find the video on the contact page of the older website. Now proceed ahead and click on add comment button. Great guys, now you can see our comment has been added with the implementation plan. Now click on the proceed button to proceed ahead. Great, it has generated all the pages. Now click on accept all. Now our professional website has been created successfully, and in order to verify it, scroll up and see the confirmation message of AI. It is saying that I have successfully implemented the plan and the site is ready now. So guys, our chat box has been filled with unnecessary stuff, so let me clean it. I will proceed ahead and click on this plus icon. Okay guys, now if you want to view your website, you have to give it a command that run a local server. After that, you have to click on this arrow button or hit the enter button. Now it will start the process in background and we have to wait until then. Now our server is on and live, but before proceed ahead, I'd like to see the project files. And in order to do that, you have to visit on the left side and you need to click on this little file icon. Great guys, now we can see all the project files here, and if you want to edit them, then you can directly edit here. Now proceed ahead and click on this link to view the website. Oh man, I can't even believe on my eyes. Just look at this website, how professional it is. Let me show you the entire website first. Guys, if you have followed my videos, then you must have able to create this kind of stunning website which looks fully professional, modern and SEO friendly. Now proceed ahead and let's check what kind of features we have on our website. As we can see, our header is looking very stunning and we have few important notifications in the top bar. Along with that, we can see we have a contact number directly mentioned in the header, so any visitor when visit on your website, they will have access your contact details directly. After that, we have got a request service button, and in compare with the old website, we can see our header is not looking that much good. Let's get back to our new website again. So guys, let's visit on the hero section first. The hero section immediately answers the visitor's most important questions like who are you, what do you do, why should I trust you, how can I contact you, by adding few things like a strong headline, clear subheading, 2 call to action buttons, Google rating and fast response badge with professional technical image, which gives a trust indicator to the visitors and they will start trusting your website immediately within few seconds. Now if you have start monitoring the website, you will have a clear idea that it has clean and premium UI with modern typography, better color palette, consistent branding, more attractive visual hierarchy with premium business appearance. If we talk about the trust, it is one of the biggest factor in converting visitors into customer. This website includes Google rating, years of experience, licensed business, military discount, happy client counters, fast response badge, transparent pricing, and same day booking with state license information and customer testimonials. So those sections will increase the customer's trust for sure and encourage them to make a call and book an appointment. And if we talk about the old website, then we are missing those kind of features which we have with the new website. Now let me show you the other pages of our new website really quick. So guys, currently we are on the repair page, and at the very bottom you will be able to see 2 CTR buttons, and on each service pages you will get a form to fill where customer can fill the form and contact with the team directly. If you scroll down to the CTR section and if you click on the call button, for the desktop a pop-up will come out, but for the mobile a call will start ringing. And if you click on contact our office button, then you will be redirected to the contact page. Now we are on the new construction page. And now we are on the septic tank page. And here you can see there is a form which you can download and fill. Now we are on the review page, and at the very bottom you will be able to see there is a form which you can fill and submit your review. Now we are on our About Us page. So guys, I have found an issue with the website. When you visit on the footer and when you click on any of the terms of use or privacy policy page, it will redirect you to the home page. As you can see, they must be redirected to their respective pages. So let's open the Google Antigravity again. Now I will give it a command to generate privacy policy and terms and conditions pages. Also, I will instruct it to paste those links into the footer. Now it has started the process. And it's done now. Let me open the website and scroll down to the footer section. Now let's click on terms of use, and here we can see our page has been created successfully. Now let's scroll down to the footer and let's click on the privacy policy. Again we can see our privacy policy page has been successfully created. But I can see the footer layout for privacy policy and terms of use pages has been broken. Now let's visit on the home page again and scroll down to the footer section, and we can see the footer structure is good here. So let's open the Antigravity again, and here we have to enter a prompt that use the home page footer on every pages of this entire project. Now hit the enter button. Once everything fixed, let's get back to the website again and let's try to open the terms of use page. And scroll down, and here we can see the footer structure has been fixed, and for the privacy policy page is been fixed also. Now let's visit on the home page again and try to perform some other changes. This time I like to change the background color of request free estimate button, and in order to do that, first of all you have to capture a screenshot. Now save it. After that, get back to the Antigravity again, and by pressing Ctrl V button you can paste the screenshot here. Now type whatever modifications you want. In this case, I like to get a background color of black and I want the text color to be white. So after giving the instruction, hit the enter button. Now get back to the website again and refresh it. Great, as we can see the background color of this button has been changed successfully. Now guys, you can redesign any kind of websites by following this tutorial and sell it to your client. There are a lot of things to talk about this website, but in order to make the video length shorter, I like to get sign out. Make sure to subscribe this channel to continue the journey of no coding website development using AI. Till then, I wish you to have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.